In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard, and if you can't see a microphone icon at the top right corner, selecting this gear. Now hit voice typing. Tap on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it, and when your switcher is blue, go back to your keyboard. Then tap on now visible microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!